And thank you for everyone being here today. As Mahmoud said, I'm Brian Green. I'm the inaugural chair for the Concrete Innovation Council. And I really am glad that we've got a nice selection of people here, and you're here to hear something about innovation. So welcome. And we appreciate you being here. That's great. We're pleased about this. The ACI Foundation trustees formed the Concrete Innovation Council in the fall of 2021. One of our goals was to help support ACI's expanding focus on technology and innovation. The CIC wishes to collaborate with the concrete community in order to support innovative solutions for industry-wide challenges. Our objective is to effectively identify new technologies, as well as nurture and support emerging and mature technologies. The council works closely with the ACI's Director of Concrete Technology, Rex Donahue. Rex, you in here? Not sure. Okay. And to create a formal connection between the council work and ACI. We also collaborate with ACI's newly formed Centers of Excellence. The field of concrete materials, building, and structures is continually infused with new ideas and practices. New materials, products, methods, designs, and equipment impact the way infrastructure and buildings are constructed. We look forward to hearing about some of these innovations throughout our program today. All right. There are council members right now for CIC. As you can see here, and two of them are our session moderators today, Mahmoud and Leslie. Again, thank you two for doing this. The council is comprised of a diverse set of industry representatives from material suppliers, architecture and engineering firms, contractors, academic, owner, regulatory agencies. Please raise your hand just for a moment if you're a member of the CIC or a ACI Foundation staff or a trustee. If you don't mind raising your hand, everybody look around. So we got staff and we got some members here. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. All right. Our ex officio members of CIC, we're definitely connected here. Again, with Rex Donahue, Director of Innovative Concrete Technology, and Jersey and Drew, who are both with one Jersey, as I mentioned, with Executive Director for NEX, and Drew Burns, Executive Director. These are two new Centers of Excellence at ACI. Of course, NEX has the focus on non-metallic building materials, and Drew is the Executive Director of NEW, which is our ACI's newest Center of Excellence for carbon neutral concrete. So our activities, kind of what we do, is we have council meetings. It's like other, somewhat like a technical committees. We have meetings, but we are meeting about, and we meet at ACI. And we'll meet tomorrow at 9. It is not a closed meeting. We welcome you if you'd like to come. It's 9 to 11 tomorrow. We also have a technology forum, which I'll talk a little bit more about in just a minute. We just finished one up in St. Paul. And we have technology sessions, which we're at currently, correct? So at both spring and fall ACIs. So for our technology forum highlight that we just got finished in St. Paul back in August, we had 3 technology showcases, as you can see here. And this is kind of one of our main things, is to help, as technology comes into our committee, is to have this annual forum where people can come and make presentations, okay? We had 12 other presentations, and then we also ended the day with a debate, ended the program, as you see here, alternatives to cylinder brakes for acceptance testing, which was pretty good debate. And it's going to be ongoing. We're definitely not going to end there with that one. It will probably be seated at another meeting, and probably even a hot topic session in the future ACI convention. So let's talk about what we think about, we say, definition of innovation. The title of this session that we're about to embark on is Innovations in Concrete Technology. And the word innovation is purposely in the title of our council. So what makes a technology, process, or material innovative? We consider an innovation to be a new match between a need and a solution. Note that the novelty of innovation may be in the need, or in the solution, or in a new connection of an existing need and existing solution, making that connection. Technology that can address a market need is better positioned for success than a technology searching for a need. Okay, so consider who are your customers, why they would want or need such innovation. So why does the concrete world need this? Now, to help us do that, to help innovators out there, and you've got these great ideas, we're coming out with a new publication. It's will be out in the next week or two, and according to Tricia Ladley, our staff liaison. And the CIC can support innovations in new technologies in a variety of manners. The guide that we're coming out with is created to help technology owners and innovators communicate with the CIC about the stage of the technology and what support you're seeking. If you're interested in alerting us to an innovation or new technology, please start by reviewing the guide, and then, if applicable, submit and introduce your technology submission on our website. And the CIC meets online every 6 weeks and in person at conventions and forums, and we'll go over these. And please note that one thing we have to say is that helping market or sell a technology or innovation is not our purpose here. So how you get that to us on our webpage, here it's got this nice big blue button that says introduce your technology. And it's a form, 2-page form you fill out. And this is some of the information you'll need to introduce your technology to us, to get it to our committee and for us to look at it. And what do we do with that? We're going to go over it. And these are the things that you're going to have to tell us to bring it to us, okay? And to that, this is the assessment criteria that we're going to be looking at to assess your technology, okay? You know, the innovation, the impact, urgency, support, and sustainability. These are some of the items we're going to evaluate, and then, and what do you need? Do you need some additional, information we may need from you? Do you think you need a survey to collect additional information about it? Okay, is a business case needed for your technology? Should a workshop be scheduled to bring the stakeholders together? You can help facilitate that. And then, who are your stakeholders? Kind of help you with that. And that's why we have such a diverse group, is that we can look at this from all the different aspects that you would want to help you get that innovation into ACI and into the markets, things like that. In the development, is the development, resolution, or acceptance of the technology dependent on cooperation with another institute, association, specifier group, standard developing organizations, or industry? How can you help? Well, if you just say, if you're a member, say you've seen something, you've been somewhere, and say, I saw this and I think it's a great idea. I'd like to get this idea, help move it or something like that. You can just write to either Rex, again, who is a ACI staff member. He's Director of Innovative Concrete Technology. There's his address, or Tricia Ladley, ACI Foundation. If you want any of these addresses, just go online, ACI Foundation, you'll have them. And if you got this idea, email them, and they'll bring it to us. We'll go from there. So if you'd like to join us, in some of our meetings, in the next ACI convention, we'll be having a session just like this. It'll be on Sunday, April the 2nd, 2023. And then our next annual technology forum will be about a day and a half. It will be in Portland, Oregon, August 29th through 31st, 2023. And we'd love to have you there. The past session we had sold out. So we're looking at expanding the number of people, getting a bigger room, things like that, which would be great. So, and with that, I think I am done as far as introducing CIC to you. And again, I'd like to thank you for being here today, showing interest in this in our first session. I hope you enjoy it.